The weight of all of this is a lot. Many are dealing with a roller coaster of emotions from back-to-back major hurricanes. Hurricane Milton so soon after Hurricane Helene. We can see the physical damage, but there is a huge toll we cannot see, the stress and the grief. NBC 10's Anika Hope joins us live on this World Mental Health Day with how this is affecting folks, even here in Boston. Anika.
Yeah, Hurricane Milton hit in the dark. So for so many here with friends and family in the path of the storm, they were waiting all night long to hear back from their loved ones. That is a roller coaster of emotions.
You're also wondering if the last text you sent them will be the last text, which is scary to think about.
Living in Vermont, Emma Kaplan is far away from the storms in the south. But the people there, like her mom in Venice, Florida, are close to her heart.
It's almost isolating. You're so worried about your family going through what they're going through, but you're also going through something too.
With extreme weather intensifying and increasing, more are affected in ways we can't always show you on TV.
Our sense of safety and security has been turned upside down.
Having trained first responders in the aftermath of Hurricane Katrina, Duke University professor and psychologist Robin Gurwitch knows disaster can change the way we think.
We can expect problems with concentration, problems with our attention.
That includes children, according to the co-director of Boston Children's Pediatric Environmental Health Center, Marissa Hopman.
Watching for signs that your children may be impacted and looking for behaviors or changes that may not be how it displays itself in you.
Boston University grad student Genevieve Reynolds told us she felt the anxiety with her family and friends back in Florida hunkered down for the storm.
I'm still texting them now, honestly, just making sure that they're okay.
That hyper connection can be detrimental.
Being on social media just made me a little more worried.
But connection may also be the cure.
Leaning on people around you and not being afraid to ask for support in whatever way you need it.
We shouldn't do this alone. No one should.
That was the takeaway message from the experts we spoke to. While we don't have control over the weather, we do have the power to connect, whether that's finding a way to help or just asking someone how they're doing. We have resources on both of those things on our website for you. In Boston, I'm Anika Hope, NBC 10 Boston.